more reasons why Norway is crazy. I fell asleep on the bus and woke up on the boat. And now that I'm back on the bus and got off the boat, I went to an underground tunnel, like under the sea, an underwater tunnel. Oh my God. When I come out the other side, it's snow everywhere. There was no snow before the tunnel and now it's snow everywhere. What? Look at that. Look at it out there. This has probably been one of the most crazy, unique, interesting days of my life. I come from out of the tunnel and now it's snowing everywhere. What? From Bergen to Haugesund, and from no snow to all of this. What? I'm telling you, I went through the underwater tunnel and there was no snow and I came out of the tunnel to this. Norway is crazy.